Yes, be ready. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, I rise to support the motion of thanks for the President's address. I am not in the habit of attacking anybody, stop. But in his address to the joint session of Parliament, the President, with great eloquence and lucidity, has put all the achievements of government stop. Also, he has thrown sufficient light on the future policy and programs of this government stop. There is hardly any field which he has not touched upon in the address stop. So it is not necessary for me to elaborate on general issues which have already been included in the President's address because it is a catalogue of the achievements of this government stop. It is the duty of the opposition to pinpoint some loopholes, no role to play in democracy stop. So we go here and there, otherwise they should not be agitated over what they say because a time will come when we have to take vote on this and people will throw them out at the time of voting stop. Therefore, I do not have any intention to confront what they say and what they point out against the government stop. Since it is a general discussion, members belonging to different parts of the country use the opportunity to bring out the problems pertaining to their respective areas stop. As you know, sir, from the northeastern region, we are very few, and since I represent that region, I want to elaborate on certain issues which confront this region because the other major issues in this country, like the problems of Punjab, Sri Lanka, and agitation in UP, have overshadowed our problems stop. Therefore, I would like to highlight the specific problems which we are facing in the northeastern region stop. Unless this region is developed, unless the people of this region feel contented, the security of the country in that region is not safe stop stanza. Therefore, I would like to draw the attention of the House and the members to the need to pay special attention to the very delicate and difficult problems which we face in that region stop. I am happy to say that the recent election results in that region, be it Nagaland or Tripura, clearly shows that the people of that region are for emotional integration, political integration, and that they want to participate with the rest of the country in molding the destiny of the nation as an equal partner stop over.